Picnic Adventures. Happy Jeff here. Everybody loves it when I'm happy. Don't want cranky Jeff. Hey, wife found a great recipe for pizza sliders. She's slicing the rolls right now. I'm going to flip this around and show you how it's done. One of our favorite camping foods now. Hi, Mrs. Happy.
Hello.
So we're using the Hawaiian King rolls. This is a half a package of the big ones. There are only 3 of us. We're not big eaters. So
But we certainly don't waste leftovers either.
No. So she's got these sliced in half, and then you got to melt about a half a stick of butter or 1/4 cup. We're gonna just till it's melted in the nuker. Alrighty.
Okay. So you're going to need some garlic salt, some Italian seasoning, and the Parmesan cheese, because that's going to make the delicious topping when you make the crust.
And obviously we've got a pizza sauce of your choice. We're just using Safeway, our store out here, Signature Select. It's actually really good. We got the a pillow pack of pepperoni, and we have mozzarella slices. So
I'm using the fresh Italian seasoning, so it's really aromatic. And I'm going to mix some of the Parmesan cheese. I think it calls for about 2 tablespoons or so, but to your liking. You could always add more. Just mix that together, because that's going to be for the top of your crust when you put it in the oven. Okay. Now I'm going to use the tomato sauce.
pizza sauce.
Excuse me, pizza sauce. My husband insists there's a difference between pizza sauce and tomato sauce.
Hold on a minute. Y'all, is there a difference? Pizza sauce versus the marinara sauce? Comment below. Let me know. I think there is a difference. And my cousin Mike in Michigan, he uses that O Grasso's or Della Grasso's is what it's called. And I've been wanting to try to find that to get it. I'll have to probably order it. But anyway, back to the food making.
Hey guys.
So we got the pizza sauce going on.
And pizza sauce. The last time I tried to do all 12 together and I sliced it, but once you layer on the pepperoni and the mozzarella, it's a hard try to pull it apart. So I did this time 2 at a time, see if it comes out a little bit better. So now I'm going to take my pepperoni, as much as or as little as you want.
And we're preheating the oven at 350. The oven will have to be at 350. And our oven in this camper is a little hotter, but that's the lowest setting it has anyway.
And I must say, I found this on Facebook one day, and I made it for the first time on our last camping trip, and my family wants it all the time now.
I'll find the recipe and online, and I will post it below in the description so you all can make a copy of it.
These
Can I just say
slices,
something? They're delicious.
They're what?
They're delicious.
That's what I thought.
so these slices are large, so I'm just gonna.
Yeah, I figured half of them. Yeah. Mozzarella slices. Oh, hold on a minute.
Even the dog agrees.
Hi, Holly. Ooh, cheese and pepperoni and marinara. Ooh, did I say marinara? Pizza sauce.
See?
Pizza sauce. Here, hand me one of those jars.
What's the started one?
Pizza sauce.
And I think I'm just gonna
Ooh, more pizza sauce.
finish this little bit off.
Yeah.
this.
So that
Let's
left
do the
over a
jar.
jar from the last time actually finishes it off. There we
So
go.
I would probably recommend one 14-ounce jar will probably do about 24 sliders, because this was enough for twice doing our sliders. Yeah, Holly, you agree, huh?
That wasn't my stomach rumbling.
Okay, now we close them up. And again, I did 2 sliders at a time. Okay. We're gonna push them together because we gotta tent it in a.
Got to tent it in some foil.
Yep. That's what I'm wondering.
There you go. Can you push them or?
Yeah, I should be able to.
And then slop that on. Oh, I got the brush outside.
That's okay. I'll probably try to use this spoon.
Ooh, saucy.
And that's gonna go on the top. Last time I made them a little too cheesy on the top.
No, they were fine. They all got eaten pretty quickly. There were no complaints here. Trust me.
Our daughter Erica actually even claimed the leftovers.
Yep.
Nobody touched my last 2 sliders. They're mine for lunch tomorrow.
And that's me, people.
Alrighty. Now I'm gonna take the tomatoes. The foil.
You don't push them all together where they're
I
touching
don't
now.
have to. So now they're gonna get tented.
All right.
Right. They're gonna go in the oven for about 15 minutes.
15. 1-5.
About after 15 minutes, you're gonna take them out, take the foil off, brown them for another 5 minutes.
And that's a 350 oven. And in they go. And for us, it's going to be about 20 minutes. And I'll turn this around. This is my new Samsung phone I'm trying to get used to. So 20 minutes for us, but a couple minutes for you, and we'll show you the end result, hopefully before we eat them.
Sure to show them the after.
Anything else?
No, I think that's about it.
All right,
Easy
everybody.
peasy.
We'll see you in 20.
Alrighty. So it's been about 15 minutes in the oven. Oh, I hear them sizzling.
Ooh, cheesy.
Okay.
Oh, they leaned.
That's alright.
We'll fix them.
Woo!
Excuse my hands.
Fine. That's good. Alright. So now back in the oven for about 5 more minutes to crust up the top. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes.
Alrighty. Alrighty. Now they're ready to come out.
They are ready to come out. A little bit more toasty on the top.
Don't lose our dog. All right.
Alrighty.
There we go. Give us a minute when they cool down a minute, and we'll be having somebody stuffing one in their mouth. Probably me. Hey, how come you're at the dinner table? What are you waiting for?
You know, num-nums.
Num-nums? I know num-nums are coming. They're right there. Here they come.
Might have to take a knife and cut them because they all melted together. Gotta be careful, they're super duper hot.
Ooh.
Erica, how many are you gonna have? 4?
2.
2 for now? Okay. Alright, careful, they're gonna be hot.
Should we wait a minute here and let them cool for you?
The ultimate taster.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Here I go, taking my first bite of the yummy pizza slider.
Careful, they're gonna be piping hot.
Good
That's,
stuff.
yeah, they're good and
Nice and crunchy on the bottom from the cooking and soft and like
All the cheese now, all melty.
Everything's awesome.
Alright, you heard that,
Good
folks.
flavors. All right, y'all have a good night. Remember to like, subscribe, and please share. That's the best way we can get our videos going around here. Hope you enjoyed it. Night.